All right, y'all. Your boy Dominoes 7 enjoyed that season premiere of The Price is Right. Okay? Yep, season 51, episode 1. Okay? Yes, indeed. And then we find out Manuel is having a baby. That's that a first child or second child, Who knows? Okay? But we'll find out very soon. The way Johnny came on down doing this. Yep. And before you hit that dial on the wheel, I asked myself, I wonder what he gonna do when he make a. I said when. I didn't say if. Well, I said when at first, but I changed my word to if. You know what I'm saying? I changed my word to if. So if he get that dial on the wheel, okay. So guess what? I saw what he did, but bam, he got it. Yes, indeed. And then Zachary won his way in the showcase as well. Okay. And it runs in the family, in Johnny's family. Okay. His mom won on the showcase. She was on The Price is Right in the Bob Barker era. Okay. And his sister was on The Price is Right in the Drew Carey era. Okay. All right. I wish Johnny would have made his way in the showcase in the Bob Barker era. You know. I wonder how that would have been. He would have met Bob Andrew. Oh, yes. 51 years. Okay. Well, actually, 51 seasons. Okay. Yep. So, make it a start. From Price is Right, Wheel of Fortune, Jeopardy, and Family Feud. Okay. Yep. I really enjoyed that. I really enjoyed today's episode. Uh huh. Yep, I sure did, and I hope you viewers enjoyed the show too. Okay, but if you don't watch The Price is Right, shame, shame, shame on you. If you don't watch the Domino 7 show, shame, shame, shame on you. Okay, because with the Domino 7 show, with The Price is Right, Jeopardy, Wheel of Fortune, you don't know what you're missing. Okay. And another thing I want to tell y'all, your boy Domino 7 gonna always be a loyal friend and true. I got that from Bob Barker. Okay, I wonder if Price is Right fans still use that loyal friend and true. Okay, Drew, you need to use that too. Your friend and true. Okay. All right. So like I say, eventually we have about 48 years left, 48 seasons left before it be season 100. I don't know if I'm gonna be here by then. You know, so somebody might replace me on YouTube. Who knows? Okay. Well, a lot of people replace a lot of people. Oh well. Okay. So I'm going to end this vlog with saying what Bob Burke always say. Okay. So here's what I'm gonna end it with. Okay. This is the most best game show of all. So all right, here's what I'm gonna do it. Okay, thank y'all for watching. Okay, and like Bob Barker say, help control the pet population. Have y'all pets spayed and neutered. Okay, all right. Thank y'all for watching so far. Thank y'all for watching The Price is Right. Thank y'all for watching this vlog. Okay. And remember, that was George Gray speaking on The Price is Right. Used to be Rich Field speaking from The Price is Right. A Fremantle Media production. Okay? Thank y'all for watching so far, alright? Bye-bye, y'all.